Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can uninstall Roblox from your computer. So let's get started. First, make sure that Roblox and any Roblox-related applications are completely closed. Next, click on the Windows search bar and type Add or Remove Programs. Then open the System Settings option that appears. In the Installed Apps section, use the search box to look for Roblox. When Roblox Player appears in the list, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Uninstall. Then confirm by clicking Uninstall again. This will remove Roblox Player from your computer. If you also want to remove Roblox Studio, search for Roblox Studio in the same Installed Apps list. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu and choose Uninstall. If Roblox Studio does not appear in the list, try launching it once from the desktop shortcut and allow it to open fully. After that, return to the Installed Apps page and search for it again. When it appears, select Uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions. The uninstaller will then remove Roblox and any related files from your PC. After completing these steps, Roblox should be fully removed from your computer. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.